Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to revoke risky token approvals with one click in MetaMask. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to revoke token appeals or approval using the built-in feature in MetaMask portfolio or by using a third-party tool like Revoke.cash or a block explorer's approval checker, you need to simply go to Revoke.cash. So once you're in your Revoke.cash, you can simply use this website or app, as revoking an approval requires paying a gas fee for the transaction to be recorded on the blockchain. So you can use the MetaMask portfolio. Simply navigate to the MetaMask portfolio dApp in your web browser or through your app. So you need to simply go to MetaMask, and once you are in your MetaMask, all you gotta do is connect your wallet if prompted. You need to ensure you are on the correct network like Ethereum Mainnet, Polygon, or BNB Chain, where you want to check approvals. Look for the section related to allowance approvals. You will see a list of active token approval. Locate the risky or unnecessary approval you wish to revoke and click on the revoke button next to it. Confirm the transaction with your MetaMask wallet and you're all done. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.